Hello, everyone. There will be a huge opportunity for the autonomous taxi platform, and we think that Tesla will get the biggest share of that market in the US, if not elsewhere. Our belief that autonomous is going to happen has grown because we have seen a lot of commercial success in China. We think that Tesla will launch a national service, and this is where AI comes in. Tesla has orders of magnitude more data than all of the other auto and tech companies that are going after this market put together. The autonomous taxi platform opportunity is the convergence of robotics, autonomous vehicles are robots, energy storage, it will be electric, and artificial intelligence. These three different S curves will feed each other, which should lead to super exponential growth. He seemed to understand this idea that technologies are going to merge in a recent interview. The famous investor and founder of ARK Invest, Cathie spoke so boldly about the future of transportation that reporters couldn't say a word. She said things like disruptive technology platforms, scaling to unprecedented levels. There's a lot to unpack and talk about, from the heights to the important part Tesla plays in shaping this world. Come with us as we explore Cathie Wood's bright future. We're going to break down what she said and what it means for the auto industry, from the rise of electric cars to the coming together of AI with traditional fields. Buckle up and get ready for a trip into the future where innovation knows no bounds and the possibilities are endless. Before we go any further, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. Cathie Wood has been a supporter of Tesla for a long time and recently started buying shares again, even though the market has been volatile and Tesla's stock has dropped 30% this year. This has led to questions about the company's standing in the face of problems in the electric vehicle industry. When they think about their investment strategy, they admit that they sold last year when prices were higher, but they now see a big rise in Tesla's value, possibly 7 to 10 times what they paid for it. Despite worries about Tesla's fundamentals and problems in the industry, they remain bullish. Outlook. They talked about how Tesla could be successful and how autonomous taxi services could be very popular, especially in the US. They are confident because Tesla has a huge amount of data that is important for building self-driving technology. They respond to doubts about Elon Musk's claims by pointing to recent progress, and more people who compare Musk to Thomas Edison and praise his visionary approach to technology merging say that he was a commercial success, especially in China. Musk focused on new ideas and being ready to test what was already known. People think that Musk's wider vision is important for Tesla's long-term growth, even though the company has taken some unexpected turns, like Musk's ventures into other industries. Driving a cherry red sports car with the wind in your hair and the hum of a powerful engine sounds great, but hold on to your hats, because the future of this dream might be a lot quieter and cleaner. Gas-powered cars, which used to rule the road, are now facing tough competition from electric cars, and guess who's leading the way? Tesla. In a recent interview, Elon Musk hinted at the exciting future of vehicle design, teasing a lower-cost model, a strong focus on autonomy. Our next-generation vehicle will be a lower-cost vehicle, also that is very focused on autonomy. Like I said, that we really are getting to the point where the car can drive itself well. When you're in the US, I would recommend perhaps trying out our car and seeing how it works. It's remarkable. As the AI gets better and better, it actually feels quite human-like. In the way that it drives, it does things that you wouldn't expect a computer to do. It's not like a robot dancing. It's like it feels smooth and intuitive. So our next generation vehicle, which we're quite far along on, is very much anticipating autonomy. And then, of course, we've got some fun things as well, like on the new Tesla roads, which will be able to do 0 to 100 kilometers in under 1 second. Imagine cars driving themselves, seamlessly navigating the roads with a human-like finesse. Tesla's innovations go beyond cars that can drive themselves. Their upcoming Tesla Roadster is said to have mind-blowing acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 1 second. But let's not forget how Tesla changed the automotive landscape. They didn't just get into the electric vehicle (EV) market. Their sleek designs and cutting-edge technology made EVs not only practical but also desirable. Gas guzzlers of the past are now considered relics because Tesla set the bar so high. Traditional car companies are having a hard time. Tougher rules require a shift toward North American sourcing, but can the industry keep up? Remember how EVs used to have trouble with their short range? Well, Tesla changed the game by being a leader in battery innovation and making new batteries that increased their car's mileage, ending worries about getting stuck with a dead battery. Putting superchargers strategically along major routes wasn't just smart, it was also a bold statement that EVs were ready for road trips, not just city commutes. But let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture of the EV market. Despite the initial hype, there's been a lot of talk about EV demand. The industry saw a surge, but prices went up too quickly to meet demand. Then there was a crash, and as prices fell, so did the value of used EVs. Worries about battery life added to the mix, which changed the total cost of ownership. But despite these problems, the future looks bright for electric cars. China and Europe are the most advanced in adopting electric vehicles. The US, on the other hand, has its own problems, especially with its desire for bigger cars. However, Tesla's dominance says a lot. The Model Y became a worldwide hit, showing how popular electric SUVs are becoming. Meanwhile, the Model 3 outperforms gas-powered competitors and is more reliable, showing how simple electric cars are to build with its 48-volt power system. Tesla's Cybertruck sets a new standard. This change from the traditional 12-volt system marks another technological milestone in the car industry. While that could cause problems with regulations by tripling the power, it's a step toward a smarter and more efficient future. Tesla can cut the amount of copper cars need by a huge amount. It's a natural step toward a more streamlined, environmentally friendly future for car architecture as it makes way for smaller, cheaper wiring systems. But there's an important problem that needs to be solved right away: infrastructure. Just as we expect electric cars to become more popular, we need to make sure we have the infrastructure to support them. Tesla's global supercharger network handles this issue, giving drivers the peace of mind to go on long trips without worrying about getting stuck. This is especially important as demand for electric cars and AI technology continues to rise. It becomes clear that electrical equipment and power sources are under a lot of stress. It's a race between technological progress and infrastructure development, with infrastructure holding the key to widespread adoption. While Tesla remains a dominant force in the EV market, it's not without problems. Increasing competition and pricing strategies have tested the company's resilience, but Tesla's established range and production capabilities give it a competitive edge. Additionally, the company's move into artificial intelligence (AI) signals a broader vision for the future, with fully autonomous vehicles being led by Tesla. The next 5 to 10 years hold immense promise for AI, which will change the automotive landscape and make transportation safer and more efficient. There are still problems, especially when it comes to building more infrastructure, but the future of AI and how it is used in daily life looks bright. Let's say you're in Austin and want to use Tesla's high-tech car to get to the airport. Your car could take you there without you having to do anything. How? With the help of digital neural networks or artificial intelligence. Just like people use biological neural networks and their eyes to drive, Tesla's cars use cameras and digital neural networks to navigate the roads. It's an amazing feat of engineering that requires the car to interpret everything from road signs to pedestrian intentions. In essence, it's like giving birth to a baby with artificial general intelligence. But what does this mean for the future? According to Cathie Wood's bold predictions, the value of disruptive technology platforms could skyrocket, possibly reaching a staggering $200 trillion by 2013. Wood is optimistic because a number of important factors that are causing exponential growth in many areas have come together. These include the spread of AI and machine learning, as well as progress in genomics and green energy. Disruptive technologies are about to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Usually, investors look to established industries and blue-chip companies with track records. Wood, on the other hand, goes against this conventional wisdom by supporting disruptive technologies that can completely change business models and create new markets. A good example is the rise of electric cars. EVs is being led by companies like Tesla, whose cars look very sleek. Better efficiency and the ability to produce no-emissions EVs are a big change in the auto business, as governments around the world work harder to fight climate change and cut greenhouse This is mostly because of its visionary CEO Elon Musk. Musk's never-ending drive for new ideas has put Tesla at the forefront of the electric car market. Tesla's innovations have changed the auto industry and challenged the status quo, but their effects go beyond transportation. The company's work with AI and self-driving cars could change not only how we commute, but also the whole idea of mobility. Imagine a future where cars drive themselves through city streets, reducing traffic, eliminating accidents, and improving overall safety. Additionally, Tesla's innovative spirit has sparked a new wave of competition in the EV market, pushing traditional automakers to speed up their own electric vehicle projects. As a result, consumers will have more options for electric vehicles, which will lower costs and encourage more adoption. Tesla is at the front of this revolution because it has made groundbreaking advances in AI and electric cars. This is because AI is combining with different fields, blurring the lines between them. Even though the switch from gas-powered to electric cars won't happen overnight, gas cars are still more affordable and easier to get used to. Governments around the world are offering incentives for people to buy electric cars, which is a sign of a cleaner, greener future. The sound of diesel engines may become less important as electric vehicles become more popular as they offer quiet, efficient transportation that leaves a clean air trail. The future of transportation is at a turning point, and Tesla is at the front of this change with its cutting-edge advances in AI and electric vehicles. Tesla changes how we get around, so gas-powered cars will become a thing of the past, and EVs will take their place. This will make the future better and more sustainable. How will Tesla keep coming up with new ideas and leading the way toward electric cars? What role will businesses, people, and the government play in shaping the future of transportation? Your ideas and thoughts are important to us. We want to hear them. What do you think the future of transportation will be like? What do you think Tesla's effects will be in the years to come? Share your thoughts in the comments and join the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe to get more news about Tesla's groundbreaking innovations and the newest changes in the world of electric cars. This is news about Tesla stock. Thanks for watching today. We hope to see you in our next film.